Is hacker? What are the types of hacker? How a system is hacked and how hacking work. All of this and such more you are going to know in detail in this single video. So if you want to learn, then don't skip and watch till end. So let's get started. What is hacker? Hacker is an individual who uses computer or networking or other skills to overcome a technical problem. He can use his abilities to gain unauthorized access to system or network in order to commit crime, steal data, or to break security. Hacker. There are three main types of hacker: white hat hacker, grey hat hacker, black hat hacker. Let's see one by one what are they. White hat hacker, also known as ethical hacker. This type of hacker are known as security hacker who gain access to system with the view to identify and fix the weakness. They provide security to a system or a website. They are hired by bank and businesses. They protect their system or the website from the black hat hacker or from the attackers who steal the data, and they are highly paid for this. And this type of hacking is also known as legal hacking. Our next type is grey hat hacker. This type of hacker are between ethical hacker and black hat hacker. They break into computer system without authority with a view to identify the weakness and reveal the weakness to the system owner. They do this without the permission of any owner, and they do this just for their fun or to check their hacking skill. Their aim is not to harm anyone or to steal data. They are learner, as we can say. Our next type is black hat hacker. This type of hacker gain unauthorized access to computer system for personal gain, for their personal uses, or to violate privacy rights, to steal data, or to transfer bank funds. There are many types of hacking such as identity hacking, password, bank, username, account, hack, spy, and such more. So, one should be alert while using PC, mobile. A single key mistake can make your bank account clean. Now let us see what are the languages used by a hacker. Python, Ruby, Java, C, C++, and such more. This can be different according to their need, but mainly these are only used. Now let's see how system is hacked. A network system is hacked by finding the weakness in it, breaking the firewall, and cracking the password by a hacker. Let's understand it with a simple example. Suppose you are having a house and you are outside of it. Your house balcony is broken. Now if a thief want to enter your house in order to steal your precious thing, he can easily choose the way from your balcony because it is broken, and he will enter and steal all of your money. Same thing happen with your system. Hacker enters, they find out the weakness in your system, then they break the security, and like this they steal your data. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this video as much as you can share. Comment for more videos. If you have any doubt regarding this video, feel free to comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.